Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some super exciting news for all you Mobile Legends fans out there. If you've been struggling with lag or just want to take your gaming experience to the next level, this video is for you. Introducing the brand new Ultra HD Paving update that works on all devices. First, let's take a look at these stunning visual improvements. On the left, you see the standard map paving, and on the right, the new Ultra HD Paving. Just look at those enhanced textures and vibrant colors. It's like stepping into a whole new game. Now, let's start with the tutorial on how to apply the HD map config file in Mobile Legends. Bang bang! First, make sure you have downloaded the HD map config file. Open your file manager and locate the downloaded file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Next, navigate to Android, Data, com.mobile.legends, Files, Dragon 2017. Just follow me. How to back up it. Copy and paste the HD map config file into this directory, replacing the existing file if prompted. Just follow me how to back up if you need. Copy the original map and move it on another folder, or create folder and paste it on the new folder you created. After you back up, move the file config map. Just follow me. Go to your Mobile Legends and enjoy. Just follow me. First thing to do is go to your Mobile Legends or open it first, then change the map into Set into Impeachal Sanctuary map. Also the settings graphics, set it on High Graphics.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!